everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going makeup shopping. I don't think I've ever taken you guys makeup shopping with me before on actual YouTube. I mean, I do all the time on Snapchat and Instagram. Follow me, by the way, so you don't miss out in the future. But I thought I'm in the mood to vlog. I've kind of got back into that habit ever since I was in South Korea. And I want to try out some new foundations which have been recently released, and rather than kind of guess online, I thought it's Bank Holiday Monday. Today is Bank Holiday Monday in the UK. It's 33 degrees outside. I'm actually sweating just like holding up this camera. I waited until it was a little bit cooler. It's still not. My phone still says it's 33 degrees. So we're going to go into central London, going to go to Bond Street, go to Selfridges, check out the ABH counter. I want to see if I can get the foundation, check out the Charlotte Tilbury one, and maybe if there's time go to Knightsbridge and check out the new Stila foundation, because I've seen like one review on YouTube and that just wasn't enough to kind of help me. So I want to have a little look around and just see what I come across really. Today I decided to kind of make it a day all about me. You know, I would always encourage you guys, no matter what you're going through in life, always to try and make sure and take care of yourself. Give yourself a day of self-care, self-love. You know, spend a little bit of money that you don't need to spend. You know, just buy stuff for the sake of buying it. You know, material things don't make us happy in this life, but you know what my dad says? It helps. And I totally agree with that motto. So today I wanted to be completely bougie, go and spend money on things that I really don't need to. I'm wearing a brand new foundation, the Dose of Colors one right now. You know, I'm wearing a brand new pair of trousers. Do I need to buy more makeup? No. Am I going to be in Canada in 2 weeks and going to Sephora? Yeah, but you know what? Why not? Let's all go out together, have a nice day together, enjoy the sunshine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video coming along with me today, and happy end of the summer. Listen, I just got off the sweatiest tube journey ever. It's so busy and it's so busy here. I'm so hot. I'm walking towards a hopefully air-conditioned Selfridges. So the Charlotte Tilbury foundation is not even out here yet. And the ABH foundation shade I want is not at one counter, so I've got to go and look at a counter. Already, this little trip of mine is unsuccessful. So that's my shade 350C, which is not in stock, so I can't test it out, and the other shades are too dark or too light. I am going to get the eyeliner. It's like, look how like that comes out, so I'm going to get this. I've managed to buy the ABH Liquid Liner and that's it. No foundation shade in ABH for me to try. No Charlotte Tilbury foundation. It's only in their freestanding stores, which is in Covent Garden, so I'm now leaving annoyed. You guys, it's so hot, yeah, that my hair is stuck to my neck. I can't actually see where I'm going because you can probably see I'm like blinded by the sun, so my eyes feel sore, man. This sun is too much. Oh look, some nice music. Right, I need to be realistic here. Charlotte Tilbury is actually in Westfield, like a freestanding store, which is on my way home on the tube, which I have to go that way anyway, so maybe I can just stop off there. I can't be bothered to go to the Too Faced store because the foundations that I wanted to look at, I looked at in Selfridges and they just weren't my right kind of shade. The ABH foundation in my shade is out of stock online on their website as well as in Selfridges, so I've given up on that. But I want to try out the new Stila foundation, so I'm going to take a cab and I'm going to go to Knightsbridge because I genuinely cannot deal with this heat. It's so hot, I can't even explain to you. Managed to somehow end up on Park Lane. In case you haven't realised already, I'm unimpressed with today's shopping trip. I'm now going to catch a cab. I could probably walk to Knightsbridge, but with my sense of direction I'll probably get lost. So I'm going to jump in a cab now and make my way to Harvey Nichols. Oh, here, me. Yay! Had a very nice cab driver. He's now dropped me to Knightsbridge. So I'm going to go and have a little look around Harvey Nichols now. I'm in Harvey Nichols, so I have no idea where I'm going. Every single sales assistant is trying to pounce on me. I'm trying to find Stila. I don't know where it is. So I tried medium 4, medium 3, medium 2 and all the Stila foundations helped by the lovely lady in Harvey Nichols, and unfortunately not a single one matched me at all. I actually stood here where you can see the light is perfect, and medium 3 I think it was too orange, and then they were just too light or too dark. So I'm glad that I at least actually came in store to try them out rather than order them online. But unfortunately with Stila's massive new range there isn't a shade for me, whereas with their tiny range there was a shade. So again, we are unsuccessful in foundations. Oh, my hair's gone all sweaty and gross. It's like I'm back in Korea again. So I'm gonna go to Harrods, I've decided, because they've got an ABH counter there. I don't think they've got the foundation, but they've got the Jackie Aina palette. So I might see if I can pick that up instead. By the way, I did order the new Norvina palette earlier on today as it launched today. For those of you that don't know what Harrods is, it's the bougiest of bougie shop to shop in if you're in London. They appear to have the foundations, but I don't see them on the shelves. Am I allowed to be back here? I don't know. So that smudged looking shade is 7.5 and that's 7. So I'm trying 7.5 out on my face. The lighting in here ain't great, but I think 7.5 is a little bit deep for me. So I'm going to try 7. So I'm trying the shade 7. So the top one is 7, the next one is 7.5, and then the bottom one, which is lighter than all of them, is 8. This is what I mean when it's really weird undertones. But my one is just 7 at the top. Okay, so I can't buy it, like I said, you can only test it in Harrods at the moment. 7 looks like it's okay for me. However, it does slightly oxidize. Just from those few minutes I had it on my face, it got a little bit darker. But it's enough for me to get away with it because then the other shades are too light. So here's the Jackie Aina palette, which I'm about to collect. Yay! Here it is. Wow. Can I also have the banana powder as well while I'm here? Thank you. If it's out of stock, it's alright, I'll deal with it. Here's the Jackie Aina palette, live and in effect. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. And then we've got the powder down here too in banana. Seriously, the women in Anastasia Beverly Hills in Harrods were so helpful. The lady who told me she's been a makeup artist for 17 years was talking to me about all the different undertones, how people who think they're cool are actually warm. This is obviously for the foundation, and vice versa. It's worth trying out. So it's really interesting to see the way that the foundations work. FYI, she told me, for my UK followers out there, that Black Friday, the day before Black Friday, you need to come down to the ABH counter in Harrods because they're doing a special Christmas launch. She wouldn't tell me what the launch was, so she just said that. I'm just going to let you know like a little bit of information. So that's an FYI, you guys, we need to come down here. So I'm just lurking around the back of Harrods. I'm waiting for an Uber now to take me to Westfield, because you must be crazy if you think I came all this way with the intention of getting at least one foundation and I'm going home without one. So I'm on my way to get the Charlotte Tilbury one, and the thing is Westfield is closer to my house anyway, so I would have been going in that direction. But rather than get on the tube and change 5 times, the girl's being bougie and lazy today, so we are getting a Uber. So I'm at Westfield in Shepherd's Bush, White City. Catch the joke though, yeah. My Uber cost me £11 to get here from Knightsbridge to Shepherd's Bush. The black cab I took earlier, which went round the corner from Marble Arch to Knightsbridge, cost me £11. Like, Uber is so much cheaper. And I'm getting the magic powder, the pressed powder in the shade medium as well. So a successful shop. It was worth coming down here so I could get the foundation. I hope it's not rubbish after all this hassle. Okay, so we have success, and I bought the magic powder as well, as I've just said. Now I'm just going to pop into Boots and have a little mooch around, seeing as I came all this way. By the way, it's 8 PM. I haven't eaten in about 6 hours. This is what happens when I shop. I get so into what I'm doing that I forget to eat. And as we're having a bougie day, let's treat ourselves to a bougie dinner. There is no shame in eating out on your own, people, by the way. I do it all the time. I encourage you all to do it. Spend some time with yourself. Ain't no one annoying you. Ain't no one to answer to. You don't have to make no small talk. Just enjoy your dinner and have what you want as a treat to yourself. I really want the L'Oreal Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks, but they're still not available in the UK. So they were in Korea, they're in Canada, I know that, but they're not here still. So I'm gonna have to take a trip to Walmart when I'm there to buy them. Yeah, I was fooling myself. I don't know why I'm trying to convince myself that I actually needed something from Boots. You know, like when you go shopping and you're just on it, and then you're like, yeah, I need that, I need that, I need that, and I really did not. So I'm gonna go to the loo, and then I'm gonna take myself off to have my fabulous dinner, and then make my way home.
Let's go.
Guys, that food was incredible. It was a great choice. It was a halloumi burger, for those of you that don't know. My whole meal was vegan, I just realised, or vegetarian even. I love Bill's halloumi burger. It's like my fave. I always get it when I go there. Anyways, I'm going to make my way home now. I'm so tired. My eyes feel really sore because I've got that keratoconus thing with my eyes, so I get that photo, whatever it's called, like sensitivity to bright lights. So my eyes get red, and it's still buzzing out here. It's about 9 o'clock. Like I said, because Carnival's just down the road from here, and the shops are still open. It's still bank holiday weekend. It's a beautiful temperature outside, so it's all still very lively out here. But I'm going to end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to see the things that I got and things that I didn't get. But obviously you guys know what my plans are for the ABH foundation anyway. So give me a chance to actually use the Charlotte Tilbury stuff, and then I will review it for you guys on my channel ASAP. See you all soon. Bye bye.